Hello team, morning, welcome back. It's Monday, July 28th, and we got a super interesting week. We got NFP, FOMC, the real one, but today it's kind of slow news-wise. That said, we moved a lot already, like a lot. 75 pips, we moved more than Friday, basically. And it's quite bearish, huh? Honestly, I wasn't expecting that. I always say, like, in the past weeks I said that I expect this bearish monthly to give some sort of reaction, but I thought we would take this high and then dump, you know, like I thought this was like a liquidity, take it, raid and dump it. Instead, somebody here is selling enough to send the price down. And I think if this origin goes, it can get ugly for euro. Let me show you something better. Well, first of all, we open with a gap. Honestly, when I saw yesterday night this raid they didn't manage to BMS H4, not even H1. Look, not even H1, they didn't manage to BMS here. So I was kind of bullish. Then they opened with a gap, closed above this swing high. This is kind of bullish to my eyes, you know. I saw that, I was like, okay, lovely, H4 raid, H4 BMS, we're gonna go higher. And then when I wake up, Asia dumped big time. Honestly, it might as well be like a stop run. I don't know. Let me show you. If they manage to save this origin for some reason to push it higher, you know, like this bullish origin gets saved for whatever reason. Now the reverse. Let me show you how. You know, they reverse here for whatever reason. They managed to BMS M15. Maybe the situation is still valid for bulls, but honestly, it doesn't look like. This looks like a beautiful distribution, guys. This looks like an absolute beautiful distribution to my eyes. I don't see that much bullishness anymore. Look at this. I mean, they're printing lower low, lower high, you know, like low, high, lower low, lower high, now another lower low. Maybe they come back here and dump it, you know what I mean? Yeah. This doesn't look good. This can easily get ugly. But yeah, the point is that it's just Monday and Asia moved so much that I'm unsure. I don't feel like I have an edge here. Maybe New York, but in London, I don't know if I want to get engaged. I think I'd rather wait for them to do something in New York Open and maybe try to see if I see some opportunity in London close. Because when Asia moves so much, I'm not a fan of trading. Look at this dump. This is like 76 pips dump. All in Asia. I don't like it. Anyway, I don't wanna influence anybody. I don't know. I just gonna wait. Myself, I don't feel like I have an edge right now. I don't feel I have a clear view. I think they can still save this support, but if this support gives up, euro can get really ugly, like going really low. You know, like look at this liquidity here. Also, all these support that have been tested. This is like all mitigated areas, you know. There is not like imbalances anymore. This area has been worked. This can easily become like a market maker sell model. You know what I mean? Accumulation, more accumulation, reversal, and then they do some distribution here, more distribution, and new lows. Anyway, that's enough for me for today. I will post some charts later as always. I speak to you tomorrow. Have a nice beginning of the week. Bye.